Hello friends, welcome back to the new video guys. Today guys we are going to talk about guys how can we change font size in our technophone. Friends, you want to change font size in technophone, so friends you can change it. And guys, now let's see how to change font size in our technophone. In this video I am going to show you friends. So before starting video friends, I want to tell you guys, if you're new in my channel, so friends, first of all go and subscribe my channel, click the bell icon, like my video. So friends, first of all open your phone setting. To guys, change your font size, then I scroll it. As you can see, display and brightness setting, can tap here. Then guys, you can see this font size, you can tap here. So you can change from here. You want to change to small size, default size and large size. So you want to change into large size, so I click on this large size and come back. So your font size will change into large size. So like that guys, you can change your font size in your technophone. So that's it guys, thanks for watching the video guys. Now we will meet on next video guys with the topic. Before going guys, please go and like my video, subscribe my channel. Bye bye friends, thanks for watching the video guys. Bye friends.